How to reset App Store balance to $0 on iPhone. If you have a small remaining Apple account balance that you can't use or remove, here's what you can do. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone and go to getsupport.apple.com. Sign in with the same Apple account that has the remaining balance. But here I am already signed in. You can do it. Choose a product. Next, select your iPhone. Then tap Subscriptions and Purchases. From the available options, choose Unable to Purchase, or the option that's most closely related to your issue. Tap Continue. Then scroll down and select Get More Help. Choose Chat or another available contact method. When you're connected with Apple support, explain that you'd like help clearing your remaining Apple account balance because you can't reduce it to zero. Keep in mind that Apple cannot always remove your balance. In many cases, you'll need to spend the remaining credit or add enough funds to make a purchase that uses the balance. If there's an account-specific issue, Apple support can review your account and let you know what options are available. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and Apple troubleshooting guides.